Today I'm going to show you how to make an autumn-winter planted container. For this you'll need your container, conifer, a couple of euonymus, a gaultheria, ivy and a pack of violas, as well as your compost, and I have some polystyrene for at the bottom of the tub. So to start off with, we're going to break up the polystyrene. This is just to put in the bottom of the tub so we can have some drainage for the plant. So you just need a bit of a layer like that. All it is so that the plant doesn't sit in the water and the water can drain through the hole at the bottom of the pot. Next we're going to add the compost. We're going to fill this up almost to the top. So once we fill the container up with the compost, it's just a general multi-purpose, then I'm going to start doing the plants. So I'm going to start, I'd normally do with this facing me, but I'm going to do it back to front so I can show the camera. I'm going to start with the conifer at the back, and then I'm going to go for the euonymus. I'm going to put that either side. I'm trying to do it creating a tiered effect, so we're sort of going from largest to the back to the smallest at the front. My hair has all done that. Next I'm going to put the gaultheria in, or pernettya as some people call it. Let's see which way it looks nice. That way I think, with most of the berries at the front. Put that in. Might not need as many pots as I've got for this pot. And then I'm going to get the ivy, squish pot, at the front, so it can trail down. Take that off because I don't like the way it looks. I should probably use my scissors. And then if you have any gaps left, we're just going to fill them up with these pretty violas. You can just fill as many gaps as you want with these. So everything in this container, apart from your violas, are perennial. So you've got your conifers, your euonymus, your ivy, and then you've got your gaultheria, which is an evergreen, so it gets these nice berries during autumn, and you get these pretty little white flowers as well, which are really sweet. Yeah, and there you have it, your autumn winter planted container.